Okay, so guys, yeah. Okay, so this is still the Survival Let's Plays, episode 1. Or episode 2, I don't know, I forgot. Basically, I made me this underground base thingy, so, yeah, I already saved. Thought it was a 10 by 10. Oh, no, you gotta be kidding me. It was supposed to be a 10 by, wait, 20, I think it was supposed to be a 10 by 20. Oh my gosh. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is with an iron pickaxe, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10, I don't have any torches, I don't have 4. And I did go into the mines and gather up all of diamond ore. More diamond armor, all of this. Took me forever, but I got it. Still Easter. The night of Easter. No, I'm just kidding, it's real, yeah. But I did do this pretty quick. This is the difficulty, and God's not. Whoa. Yeah, this is the difficulty. And, like, seriously, if you had it, like, spawn somewhere, over there, and there was, like, a cave order already diamonds. True. No, oh, no! I needed to hit that level. Oh, it didn't do anything to my... Nobody touches my mama's car. I'm in mama's car. Boom, boom. Did I place that? Okay, I don't know. I did a little test run, so it does work. Just to let you know, I need to put these torches out. It's like, put one here, but of course I'm still gonna spawn, but I'm gonna have my sword out, so I don't have to worry much about that. Like, I seriously don't worry about that. I'm gonna have my sword with me, and basically I'm just gonna be mining most of this whole video, most of it. So, technically, yeah. You saw my Skyblock video. I tried to make it look like it was Skyblock in real life. I tried to, but I just couldn't. I need somebody like doing the controls for me. Oh, I think I went a little bit too far. Pretty sure I went. And I want you to. I want a piece of dirt. How do I go to that? No. What? No. This is easy. Supposed to be mining only stone with it, but I don't care. I haven't gone into creative. I have not. So if you think I went to creative and gather up all this stuff, well, I did. I actually did this. Why'd I get 2 stacks of black? I wanted it to be green. Wait, I guess my brother went to creative and then got the 2 stacks. Well, no, like I was using the bathroom at the time, so I must have done it pretty quick. But yeah, most of this video I'm just gonna be doing this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place it down there. Look at I had it. Yeah, know about beds, bro. Think I'm stupid? Well, much. Yeah, then I'm gonna be, I need my armor off of this. Where is that? Like, literally, I'm about to lose it. No monster spawn? I need to move these two, cause... Wait, no, this one's gonna stick. No, yeah, I need to move this one, because I want that to be anyway. And here we go. Oh no, here we go. Oh no, the lever. Yes, it's the lever that I need. Oh, I need you to still... Need you to stay open. Are you? That gave me a total of 11. So it was supposed to be 10, but I couldn't figure out a way to make it even. Is where that needs to be. Cut it off, but I'm pretty sure it'll still work. Enough. Here we go. Ow. It seems to work. It's right there, so close. Close, y'all. Close. Enough. Here we go. Green goes right here. That is the piece that I don't need. Oh no! Here we go. Now you can understand why I need a oh man, I need a second lever. How do I make a lever? How do I make a lever? So all I need is a stick? Wow. Man, I can place these crafting tables everywhere. Whoa. Everywhere, so basically, technically, yeah. One there, one there, one there. Just put them everywhere. Yeah, like, put loads of them out here for outsiders. Outsiders can use them. Skeletons can use them. Bro, is that really all I need? Is just a stick? Wow. Did I really press B? Because I don't think I did. Enough. Here we go. Oh yeah. Gotta help us. Oh man, my inventory is filled. I do not need you. Enough. Here we go. Technically, so yeah. Am I? How am I? Oh wait, no. I'm gonna make 2 more levers. How about that? So I didn't need to. And where does it go? It goes right here. That's the last one. Yeah, I know what shades do. They drop wool in front of your face. Every time you shear them, or like take them out. That's what happens. Basically, I'm not gonna... Okay. I have 6 minutes. Basically, yeah. I'm not gonna make a video. Actually, 15 minutes. I'm gonna stop when I want to stop. Technically, I'm about to stop now, so... About to. Okay, so after this video... I'm gonna see if I'm gonna have to change the title or not. But I'm just gonna put episode 1. Just to give you a heads up, because, you know, I don't even know technically, I don't even know if my first survival let's play even uploaded. Oh wait, oh yeah, this is episode 2, I believe it is. Fuck you! Is that? Are you serious? That's a booty. All I need, anyway. So. See, told you. Oh no. No, my contraption is not gonna work if I don't have a bow. Yeah. Now, who you wants to mess with? You wanna mess with Granny JoJo? Bring it on, old lady. Oh, whoopsie. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and I'll see y'all guys later. Bye.